Do you know what? It's pretty, isn't it?
It's very nice, yeah. Yeah, it's a very nice car. I have missed decent touring car racing. When I say decent, I am wearing the old Tamiya hat here because this is a decent car. Because the TTO ones, as much as we enjoy it, they're a little bit on the basic side, aren't they? They're a bit slow and all that sort of stuff. So, yeah, I've missed this and I'm thoroughly looking forward to racing it.
Now, you don't know this, but I went down to my local club and friend of the channel, Matthew. You know Matthew.
What old Smelly Matthew?
Not Smelly Matthew.
Lanky Matthew?
Not Lanky Matthew.
Obese Matthew?
Not Obese Matthew.
You know, Matthew that's got the thing.
Not that Matthew.
Good. Who then?
Matthew.
Oh, Matthew.
Matthew.
Well, why didn't you say?
Buy me a pie, Matthew.
Yeah, go on.
He has bought us pies, but he said, I ain't got you a pie this week.
What did he
Paid
say?
for my race entry, boss. He said, love what you do on the channel. Hope this helps. Paid for my race entry.
Matthew. Thank you for paying for his race fee.
Anyway, that's not all he did.
What?
He said, because we were running our Tamiya trucks in
What happened?
the Tamiya Trucktastic
I don't
event
want to know
before going
about
on.
that. Don't want to know about
And he
that.
said, I bought a little toy along for you to have a go at.
What was it?
It was a touring car, boss. I got to run his touring car around the Milton Keynes track. I was driving it, didn't get any footage of it, but I did take a closer look under the shell. Okay, so with Mark going over to doing a bit of touring car driving, I thought I'd take a closer look at this Team Yokomo RS2.0. 1/10 touring car on a budget. Apparently, it's pretty impressive on the track. So straight away, looking at the RS2 Yokomo, we can see that it has a plastic chassis, plastic top deck, plastic shock towers and housing. However, some of the other parts in here are quite nice. So it's a belt-driven touring car. As you can see there, it comes with the oil-filled shocks. So in terms of adjustability, we can adjust the camber on the back. We've then got camber and toe at the front. Running a long battery pack in this one. The battery pack is situated over on one side of the car. So I'm actually interested, if I take the battery out, like so, let's take it out properly. Just wondering, if we take that out, oh, so there isn't, so I was wondering whether there'd be a hole so that you could run a shorty pack in there. Okay, so currently this is running as the Zombie ESC. We've got a Zombie brushless motor, and we've got Absema servo, Absema lipo. Do you know what? Really nice looking car. So a good thing about the Yokomos, actually their manuals are pretty cool. Hang on a second, it has got screws in here where you could fit a shorty pack. So maybe they've been covered up with tape. I'll have a quick look on the bottom of the chassis in a second. Okay, so here are the screws that I was talking about, which have been covered up by that tape. That's why I couldn't see them. But good, clear, step-by-step instructions. So looking at this, it has got the option of running anti-roll bars, but obviously this one hasn't got the anti-roll bars on, but there is a place to put them. So as I thought, so here we got the longer battery that goes into these holes, and then down here you can run the shorter battery. If you use these two holes, it will be situated there. Alternatively, you can slide it back and run it there. Depends where you want to balance the car out. I'm guessing I couldn't see those because they've just been taped over. So the RS2.0 is the rookie speed. So this is a rookie car, an ideal beginner car, hence the components are a little bit cheaper. So instead of carbon fibre and alley chassis, we are looking at plastic components, which makes this an affordable budget entry car for 1/10 touring cars. So if we look at the components on here, you can see that some of the parts are shared with the BD10, the BD9, so it actually uses parts from some of the other Yokomo touring cars. So there you go, that is a budget entry level touring car, man. That is exactly what we're all about.
And that, where can people get that from then?
Well, get them online, boss. Most model shops should stock them.
Yeah.
The Yokomo SB2.
You see, the word Yokomo says to me, quality.
It is quality. The parts that actually make up the car come off of their, I think it's the BD range, like the BD5 or BD
Ah, the old BD range there.
The BD range. So it's got some high spec components on it, boss. It's nice.
That'll make for a nice class, wouldn't it? We've often spoke about kind of having a nice basic class where people could, because you know what, sometimes.
Do you know where he's going to run it?
Where's he going to run it?
He's going to be running it at the new club in Stevenage. Not Indoor Raceway Stevenage, the new club.
Hang on.
He's put a 21 turn in it.
Hang on, and there's going to be another touring car club. Stevenage is the place to be. I mean, it never has been before, but now it's the place to go,
making
right?
friends.
No, Stevenage is a lovely place. It's a really nice place.
So basically, right, you've got, in fact, old Milen's just round the corner as well, isn't it?
Milen. Yeah, Milen there. Yeah, we like it there.
It's a little hub.
Yeah, that's nice.
Stockfold's not far up road.
Stockfold's not far. We got a lot of clubs where we are, aren't we? But here's the thing, brother. People they work all week, yeah?
They can spend their money on what they want to spend
it on what they want. Let's let them do it.
Definitely.
You know, we're responsible for getting newbies in.
We are.
Aren't we?
And some of the newbies listen to our advice and they do go for the slightly lower spec equipment and they start learning their racecraft with the Tamiya touring cars and the TTO ones.
That's right.
And hopefully we might get a few followers with our new Cougar project that we've got.
Yeah, looking forward to that.
That is going to be good.
Looking forward to racing. This is the Tamiya 420X. The new one is out. We've not got that. This is friend of the channel, Mr. Fox.
Yeah.
He's kind of lent us this for a series
Mr. Fox gave you a box, didn't he, boss?
He gave me this hat as well. Tried to convert me, and do you know what? He's done it.
He's done it.
Because that's not really a Tamiya.
I actually like that hat.
That is not really a Tamiya, is it?
I want that hat.
You do want this hat, but no, I'm having it now. So I've been converted, see. And I think it's going to bring me...
Do you know what you should do?
Go on, what?
You should put it on back to front like I do my T-shirt.
You see, I did think of that. There's part of me, when I put a hat on backwards, I look in the mirror and I go, you still got it. And the other part of me goes,
You ain't.
You're too old, you idiot. Put it the right way.
Yeah.
You know? But then what is the right way? Because this is the right way for some people. Is this going to be the thumbnail? There you go, there's the thumbnail. Do you remember the Bushwhackers? Do you remember the Bushwhackers?
Oh, but WWF.
Don't remember.
It's not called that anymore, it's WWE now.
WWE.
Yeah.
Do you know what?
The panda got angry, apparently.
I got upset the other week, right? Because I watched WWE. Somebody said to me, I don't want to give it away, but someone said it was all fixed, and it. It's a bit like saying Santa's, you know,
Fat.
Well, he's fat. And the Tooth Fairy and things like that.
She ain't fat.
No, she's not. We're waffling now, ain't we?
I think so.
Right, well, should we sign off then?
I think we should.
Thanks
I think
for
we
watching.
should have done ages ago, to be honest.
Fair enough. No one's left anyway. We can say what we want now. It don't matter, does it? But don't mention big bore shocks.
No big bore shocks. None to be seen here.
No.
Although with these big bore shocks.
Yeah.